In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can calibrate the Google Maps on your Android phone and the compass related to that. So let's get started. So naturally, you should have the Google Maps app installed on your phone. So just open it up like that. And in order to perform some changes, tap on your profile picture right there. And from the options that show up, just tap on the settings. And this will, of course, make another set of options appear, and you can find what's called location accuracy tips. So just click on that to see what happens. For me, it's telling me that it is pretty well optimized in my case. So instead, you can go to the location settings right there. And obviously, you need to ensure that all of the apps have access to your location, at least like the Google Maps and those apps which you need. But if you go to that section again by clicking on, the location settings like that, it will jump you back to the main settings app. And in there, tap on location services and another set of options for you to customize and calibrate. So for example, we have the Wi-Fi scanning as well as Bluetooth scanning. So this is like an additional feature which might make it easier for your phone to figure out the location and make it more usable for your maps accuracy. So you should have that turned on, and that's how you can basically calibrate your Google Maps compass. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.